You good? Can I get back to what I was doing, please? You think? My house is under construction, so I've had to move my equipment over to my mom's house. And the dogs. The dogs. They're so cute though. They're my babies, but I wanted to do a look specifically for July 4th. If you don't know me, my son and my daughter-in-law are both in the Marines, and they are stationed overseas with my granddaughter. And I also have a new granddaughter that's going to be here any day now. I'm so excited about that. I wanted to do a look for July the 4th because not only are they in the Marines, but both of my brothers were in the Army. I have a nephew that just got out of the Army after being stationed overseas. My husband was in the Army. I have one dad that was in the Navy, and my other dad was in the Army. So my family is just filled with military and vets. I really wanted to come out and represent for July the 4th. Hey! I decided to do this look. It is something that any age group can do. It's really hard for those of us that are, you know, aging to pull off wearing bright colors on our eyes. So I wanted to show you how you could incorporate some color, have a little bit of fun, and represent with me. So this is what I'm going to be wearing on July the 4th. If I even wear makeup on July 4th. Am I even doing anything for July 4th? I hope you like it, and I am so excited to be back. I've missed filming. I've missed you. I look forward to getting to know you down in the comments. If anybody's even watching this video, talk to me down below. Become my friend. So this is the look. I hope you like it. I love you, and I will see you again next week. Bye. Hello. So I have an adenoma, which is a brain tumor in my pituitary gland, and it puts out hormones that are absolutely jacking up my skin. So I have to use primer. The primer I'm using is the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. It really helps cover up all of the imperfections so that my foundation has a great base to sit on top of. Then I go in with the Loreal Infallible ProGlow foundation. I'm in White AF, which is classic ivory. Once I bounce that all over with my Real Technique sponge, I go in with my Brightener. I'm using Maybeline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the Brightener shade. And then I put that all over my high points under my eyes, my T-zone, and under where I'm going to contour. And then I blend that in really well with my Real Technique sponge. I just make sure that's nice and blended in. Now I'm going in with concealer. This is the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Concealer. I am just going to use that under my eyes. It really helps cover up those darker circles. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. I'm in the shade number 1, obviously. What I do is I press out any lines and then immediately go in with that powder so that I'm not going to crease. Doing this really helps it keep from creasing and the foundation sinking into those lines during the daytime. It really does help. Try it now. Thank me later. See how you like it. Now I'm just going to brush away all that powder. I'm using the number 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Pressed Powder in light. That, of course, that's going to be my shade. So I'm just brushing all that powder away, and I'm going to go into my bronzer routine and contour. So I am using the NYX contour kit, and I'm just going to dust that around my face and all the places that you're gonna contour. So I contour around my forehead, the outer edges, and I go under my jaw because that really helps shape out and thin out my face. Now I'm going to contour my nose. The tumor that I have, it makes my face swell, so you can probably see how my nose is swollen on the side. So the contour really helps me with that. And I'm then going to use my Real Techniques sponge to sort of like the leftover creams that are on the sponge. I'm just using that to sort of press the contour colors into my skin so that it's not as like pow, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to go over everything with the MAC Shaping Powder in Emphasize. This is a really light color, so I'm just going over where I want to highlight. It's a highlighting shade without actually using any illumination. The highlight that's shiny, that really brings out any sort of wrinkles and things. So I really like this Emphasize shade because it doesn't emphasize those areas that I don't want emphasized, but it brings out the areas that I do. So now I am going to fill in my brows. I'm using L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in light blonde. I really like the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil the best, but I ran out, didn't have time to order any, so CVS was my next best bet, or Walgreens, CVS, one of those two. So this is what they had. It's not bad. I don't mind it. I just prefer my Anastasia. So now into the Anastasia, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to really set it down and make them so they just do not move because they will blow away. And I can't have my brows blowing away. For this look, I really kept the eyelids simple. So all I'm doing is I'm using the same shade that I used in the NYX contour palette to do my contour. I'm just using that in the contour areas of my eyelids, and I'm just really buffing that around. I don't want any lines. So I'm just really using that brush to get it all laid down in there and brushed out so that it looks nice and blended out. Then I'm going to use the lightest shade in the palette, in that same NYX contour palette, and I'm just going to lay that down on my eyelids. Now, okay, I'm using Eyeko Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. And let me explain to you, I don't know if it's all liquid liners. I'm going to have to test this theory out. This liquid eyeliner ran up into my wrinkles. So this will be going in the garbage. Absolutely no more. So then I'm going to go into my upper waterline. I'm going to tightline with the Covergirl Perfect Points Plus in Black Onyx, just to really fill in so that you can't see the skin gaps when I'm putting on my lashes, which are the Ardell Winks and Dream. And I use the House of Lashes glue to set those down. The glue in the drugstore is really good too. House of Lashes is really super glue. So if you're going somewhere, it is a great glue. Your lashes are not going to budge. Now I'm going in with ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Ventura Boulevard. This is a multi-chrome. I really love the color of this blue. I guess any blue will do fine. I know you can get ColourPop at Target, but this is a really pretty blue. It sort of has different colors when you move your face around. And so I'm just sort of sloppily laying that down in there. And then with a blending brush, I'm just going to blend that out and make sure that it's not just, I don't want it to look like I just laid a line of eyeliner down. And I'm going to make sure that I push this back up into that wing. But other than that, I'm just really going in there and blending it out really well. I just really don't like eyeliner lines. It's just not my jam, you know? So now I'm going in with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Eyeko. This is a white eyeliner. I decided to do this because of how bad that liquid eyeliner ran up into my wrinkles. So this really helped cover that up. Plus with the whole red, white, and blue thing, I mean, it worked, you know? So this is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. And I'm just going to put this on the high points of my face where I want to highlight. This is a very natural looking highlighter. It's the reason I like it. It's just a very beautiful glow. I'm also going to put that right there under my eyebrows on my brow bone. It's a great place for a highlighter. It really helps. Plus you can blend that down into your into your eyeshadow just a little bit. It just helps if you are just learning the whole blending thing. So I'm using a smaller brush. I'm just putting that same highlighter on those smaller points of my face where I want just a little bit extra, you know, because I'm extra like that. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Mascara. I really like this mascara. I'm putting it on my eyelashes and the front half of my eye on the top, and then I'm just pressing it into the base of my lashes to link the falsies with my original lashes. And then I put them on my bottom lashes, and then I went in and lined my waterline with that same blue eyeliner. I'm using ColourPop Super Shock Shadow and the color Ice Dream for my inner corner highlight. And then this is Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Fuchsia Flex. This was a really pretty color. I really liked it because it has so many different colors of glitter in it. It's really pretty, and it's great for someone who doesn't want the bright red lipstick. I just wanted to give a more natural option. Natural. As natural as this look can be, you know? So this was a really pretty color that I found. But if you're all in, then you're all in. I'm all in. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible. No, it is not. This is the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Lip Liner in the color 108. So I'm just going to line my lips. I prefer to line my lips because it really helps any lip stick from running up into my lines over my lips. I really should have turned my cell phone off. I cannot stand it when my lipstick runs. So lip liner, I almost always do lip liner, even if it's not necessary because I'm using liquid lipstick. This is L'Oreal Infallible in French Kiss, number 245. This was a really pretty red. I absolutely love this formula. once it was on and it dried down, it did not budge. You'll see in a minute. I put a clip of me drinking coffee. There was nothing on that cup. It was amazing. And then of course I forgot to do my blush. So I'm going in with Rare Beauty in the color Cheer. This is a gorgeous blush. I really love this blush. So that is it. That is my look. I hope that you like it. Happy July 4th. I hope that you try this look out. It turned out really great. I loved it. It was but I have to represent. That's just me. So that is me representing. I hope that you love it. I hope that you like it. I hope you try it. And if you try it, I want you to tag me everywhere because I really want to see it. I will see you next time. Bye, guys. I never know what to do with my hair. I have real bad skin cancer because I was an idiot when I was a teenager, and so my ears have had to be, the tops of them had to be completely taken off by a plastic surgeon, and I had to have them completely reshaped. And so now it's hard, like they stick out. And so when I wear my hair down, it's like out. When I wear my hair up, it's out.